Hey guys, a very warm welcome to Arihant Online Academy, and in this video we are going to discuss a very important question of compiler design from GATE CS 2014. This question was asked in set 1, question number 17, and the question is which one of the following is false, right? You need to grasp amount of knowledge from this session, right? Just focus on the question, do watch the question completely and stay tuned till the end of the explanation, right? Option A basic block is a sequence of instructions where control enters the sequence at the beginning and exit at the end. So it is true statement, because a basic block is a block of sequence in which instruction of a sequence of instruction where controls enters at the beginning and at the exit, right? So it is true, no problem. Statement 2, statement B, available expression analysis can be used for common sub-expression elimination. So available expression analysis, it is an algorithm. Basically you can say that it is a global algorithm for checking complete blocks in an code, that whether there is a common sub-expressions are existed or not. Is there anything that we are recomputed again and again and again? If there is such kind of things existed, then available expression analysis algorithm will what it will do, it will reduce the common sub-explanation element. It will eliminate all this one by taking some other constant, and it will replace with them, right? So it will generally reduces the complexity of the code, right? So available expression analysis can be used for common sub-expression elimination. It is also true. Option C, live variable analysis can be used for dead code elimination. So it is also true, right? Live variable analysis can be used for dead code elimination. It is true. And option D is x equals to 4 into 5. This implies x equals to 20 is an example of common sub-expression elimination. Guys, this statement is false. Why it is false? This is not a common sub-expression elimination. Common sub-expression elimination means, suppose E equals to F into G plus D, something is there, and like P equals to F into G plus you can say whatever, suppose C is here, right? Then F into G and F into G is there, right? These are recomputed again and again. So what we will do, we will take some other constant like Z and we'll replace it with F into G, right? Now we have whenever we need use of F into G, we will just use G value of Z, right? So this is called as common sub-explanation elimination, right? But this is not a common sub-explanation. This is the evaluation of the value, right? So option D is false and remaining ABC is true. So I hope this is clear to you guys. Please do subscribe. If you have any kind of queries, doubts, please ask me. I will try to solve your all queries and doubts as early as possible. Thank you guys. Have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.